What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Odom Family Adventures, and we're about to try the Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Back with another adventure, back with another banger. Let's go! Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, Odom Family Adventure, and we are trying the what? The chicken
honey pepper pimento sandwich.
All right, let's get up on it. Let's get up on it.
All right, so you see that cheese? Okay, so. Oh, hold up. It has some jalapeños at the bottom. You see those? Did you see that?
Jalapenos, so yours is spicy.
Yours is spicy too.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, how you rank it?
Okay, so it was a little messy. I was a little apprehensive about it when I heard about cheese and pimento cheese. It's actually kind of good. It's good. I liked it.
Boom. Chrissy Odom is trying the pimento sandwich. Do you like it? Good?
It tastes like a little sweet.
Tastes a little sweet? All right.
Yeah.
So it's not spicy, it's sweet? Okay.
That's right.
All right. Let's go.
I tried to pick it up. Oh, no. I'll give it about what's an 8.
He gives it an 8. All right, I got the chicken pimento sandwich here. Got some peppers on the bottom. Look inside. I've never done this before. Let's see. This is good. This is really good. This is so good I might order another.
Seriously, it was pretty good though. What do you rank it?
10. Automatic 10.
Automatic 10.
I gotta stay away. I hope this gets me full.
Okay, Princess, what did you rank it?
A 7.
A 7. All right. Okay, so we got the waffle fries. So good. So good.
This probably was not.
So, what do you think about that chicken sandwich?
I give it
A 10? Okay. Okay, so the princess got a chicken nugget kids meal. Tell me how you feel about this chicken.
Very good.
It's really good. And what you got? The Polynesian sauce.
It's a little burnt.
It's a little burnt. Okay. So, how do you rank it with the other nuggets that you have tried?
What is that?
You've tried McDonald's nuggets so far. You've tried Burger King nuggets. How does this rank?
A 10.
A 10?
If it was not that hard, it was hard.
Okay. The prince is still over here eating his spicy chicken sandwich. He's dipping it in the Polynesian sauce. We got King Sage over here. Got the waffle fries. Got the sauce. Polynesian sauce. We all love the Polynesian sauce over here.
I'm gonna open it up. I can't really remember how this tastes, but let's go ahead. Fries are good. Sauce is really sweet. I can have it without the sauce, but that chicken sandwich is banging.
Banger.
All right, so we got the chicken pimento, and we got it in grill. Okay, for people who want a little bit more healthier choice. I don't know how this is going to taste, but let's see. Okay, it's not as bad. That's pretty good. If you want that breaded crust, then go for that, but which make it taste a little better. But if you want like an option that's lighter and a little bit healthier, then definitely try the grill. The grill has everything else on it. It has the peppers and everything on it. What you got to say?
Like and subscribe no later. Right now.